Hey guys, this is Tanya. I teach CBSE Class 10 Maths and my sister Tina Lofus would be teaching CBSE Class 8 Maths. Alright, now let's jump into the video. Today we are going to be learning Chapter 10 Circles, Exercise 10.1 first question. So in this exercise, totally we have 4 questions. I'll try to solve all the questions in this video. Why? Because it is literally easy. Why? Because I have already uploaded the introduction video, isn't it? So if you had watched the introduction video, then it is really easy, guys, believe me. Okay, so now let us look at the first question. How many tangents can a circle have? Okay, so here they are talking about circles. Why? Because this lesson is about circles. Okay, so now let's take a circle. Okay, so this is a circle. So they are in this question, they asked us how many tangents can a circle have. What is the meaning of tangent first? So already I told you guys, if this is a circle, we say this as a tangent, and we say this as a tangent, and this as a tangent, and this as a tangent, isn't it? So likewise, so here this is a circle and I have a tangent here, and I can say this as a tangent and this as a tangent. So I can say tangent whenever a line which is touching a circle, I say it as tangent. So here they are asking how many tangents can a circle have. So since you guys know this is a circle, in this circles how many tangents can we draw? So according to me, I can draw I can draw a lot of tangents, isn't it? So here also if you see, I can draw here, I can draw here, I can draw here another tangent, here one tangent. So I can draw a lot of tangents, isn't it? So here I just used the word lot of tangents. But instead of writing lot of tangents, I can actually write infinite many tangents, isn't it? Why? Because we have lot of tangents. We can't even count how many tangents are there, isn't it? So I can write infinite many tangents. Okay, so what is the meaning of infinite? There are a lot of tangents, we can't even count. Okay, so that is the meaning of it. Okay, so this is the answer for first question. Okay, so now let's look at the second question. So this is the second question. So second question is about fill in the blanks. Okay, so in the second question, the first subdivision is a tangent to a circle intersects it in dash point. Okay, so there is a tangent. Okay, so here you can take one circle. Okay, so in the circle we have a tangent. Okay, so here the question is, there is a tangent to a circle which intersects in which point? Okay, so here when I just draw a tangent like this, where are they intersecting? Intersecting means, so here for example I have a line like this. Okay, so when I just draw another one line cross to it, so here there is a point, right? So you can see there is a formation of a point here, isn't it? So I just call it as intersecting lines, isn't it? Likewise here, this is a tangent to a circle which is intersecting at a point, but we don't know in which point it is intersecting. Okay, so here we are supposed to say then in which point it is intersecting. So according to me, so here if I just draw a point, so here this is tangent, so here there is a point, isn't it? So here it is intersecting at one point, isn't it? So they just told a tangent. A tangent means only one tangent. Okay guys, so here as you guys know, again I'll repeat. Okay, so here there is a circle. In this circle, if I just draw a line, now we call it as tangent, isn't it? So the question is how many points are there in this circle when we just draw a tangent. So when I just draw a tangent, here you can see we have a point, isn't it? So how many points are there? There are only one point. Okay, there is only one point, isn't it? So that's why I just wrote 1 point. Okay, so this is the meaning of it. Alright, so now let us move on to the second subdivision. Okay, so here now the second subdivision is a line intersecting a circle in 2 points is called a dash. Okay, so for that let us draw a circle. So this is a circle. So a line. So let us draw a line intersecting a circle in 2 points. So here I just drew a point, I'm sorry, and now I just drew a line, right? So a line intersecting a circle. So a line intersecting a circle in 2 points. 2 points means here we have a point and here we have a point, right? So they are mentioning that those points, okay? So here I have point and here I have a point, is called a dash. So in the introduction video I just told you, whenever we have something like this, we call it as secant, isn't it? Yeah, of course. So it is known as, it is called a secant. Okay, so this is the answer. Alright, so now let us go on to the third subdivision. A circle can have dash parallel tangents at the most. Okay, so this is a pretty good question. So I have a circle, and this circle, how many parallel tangents can the circle have? So I just told you tangent, so we will have infinite tangents, isn't it? But they are talking about parallel. Parallel means equal. So here if I just draw a line, so and if I just draw another line similar to it, then we call it as parallel lines, isn't it? So likewise, let us draw tangent. Okay guys, so here I just drew two lines, so those are called tangents. So I can say parallel, isn't it? Okay, so here can I draw another two lines? Of course I can draw another two tangents here. So here one I can draw and here another one I can draw, isn't it? This is also known as tangent. Okay, so here how many parallel tangents are there? Parallel means we should have two lines which are equal. Okay, so here I have a line and here I have a line. So we have one parallel tangent, and here also I have a line, here also I have a line, isn't it? They both are parallel. So here you can see. So if I draw like this, so here also we have parallel tangents. So another one tangents here. Okay, so totally 1 plus 1, we have two tangents, isn't it? So two parallel tangents. Okay, so forget about this. So if you don't understand, so here I have this tangent and here this tangent. So this tangent is parallel to this tangent. So I have one parallel tangent now, and here I have another one tangent, here also I have another one tangent, and this tangent is parallel to this tangent, isn't it? So there are two tangents. Okay, so this is one tangent and this is two parallel tangents. Okay, so now let us look at next question, that is fourth subdivision. The common point of a tangent to a circle and the circle is called dash. Okay, so here common point sounds interesting. Okay, so I will just draw another one circle. In this circle, we are supposed to draw a tangent. Okay, so the common point of a tangent. So when I just draw a circle like this, there is a common point. Of course, you guys know we usually have a point, isn't it? So what do we call this point as? We call this point as point of contact, isn't it? So that point is known as, the common point is known as point of contact. So this is the answer. Okay. So finally we solved the second question. Okay, so now let's move on to the next question, that is third question. Okay guys, so this is the third question. Now let's read the question. A tangent PQ at a point P of a circle of radius 5 cm meets a line through the center O at a point Q, so that OQ is equal to 12 cm, length PQ is A 12 cm, B 13 cm and C 8.5 cm and D root 119 cm. So these all are options. Okay, alright. So now let us draw a circle. Okay, so from the question now let us draw a circle. So this is the circle. Okay guys, so there is a circle and now let's draw a tangent. Okay, so I drew a tangent. So a tangent PQ. Okay, so tangent PQ at a point P. Okay, so here there is a tangent PQ. Okay, so I'll write Q here and then I'll write P here. Okay, so this is a tangent PQ at a point P of a circle of radius 5 cm. Okay, so here what is the point here? Point P. So this is the point P. Okay, so here remember guys, don't get confused. Okay, so they mentioned tangent PQ. So this is the tangent PQ. Okay, so then there is a point that is P. So this is the point P of a circle of radius 5 cm. Okay, so now let us, this is a radius, right? So we call this as radius. So this radius is about 5 cm. Meets a line through the center O. So here we call the middle point as O, isn't it? Yeah, at a point Q, so that OQ is 12 centimeter. So this O is there, no, this O is meeting at Q. So it is meeting somewhat like this. Okay, remember that. Okay, so now you understood, right? So I will read again. So a tangent PQ at a point P of a circle of radius 5 centimeter meets a line through the center O. So meets a line through the center O. So this is the center O and it meets a line like this, okay, at a point Q. So it is meeting at point Q, isn't it? So that the OQ is 12 centimeter. So this OQ, no, it is 12 centimeter. Alright, okay. So now length PQ. So this PQ, this is the length. So this PQ is dash. That is the question. These are the options. So now we are supposed to find the value for PQ. That is in question mark. So we are supposed to find PQ is equal to question mark. So how to find it? How to find it? So now, do you guys know Pythagoras theorem? So here, do you guys think this is a triangle? Of course, this is a triangle. One second. So this is a triangle, isn't it? So in this triangle, so here I can say POQ. So in this triangle POQ, here it is 5 centimeter and this is 12 centimeter. Here it is in question mark. Can I actually apply Pythagoras theorem? Of course we can apply Pythagoras theorem. So here this is a 90 degree, isn't it? So here, according to you guys, what is the hypotenuse? So the hypotenuse is going to be this one, isn't it? So you guys might be wondering how come it is possible. Just flip the paper. So now do you guys see a triangle? One second. So here this is, you can see this is the actual triangle, isn't it? That is OPQ. In this triangle OPQ, this is 90 degree. The opposite to 90 degrees hypotenuse. So this is hypotenuse, isn't it? Okay. So now since we don't know this part, it is in question mark, we are going to be finding it, okay. So if you want, I will draw the triangle here. So here it is 12 centimeter and here it is 5 centimeter and here it is O, P, Q and here it is in question mark. So this is hypotenuse opposite to 90 degree. So let us write in triangle OPQ. So in this triangle OPQ, OQ square, we are applying Pythagoras theorem, is equal to OP square plus PQ square. Okay, so this is the Pythagoras theorem. So OQ square value is 12. So 12 square is equal to OP. So OP value is 5. So 5 square plus PQ we are supposed to find. So PQ square as it is. So 12 square value is 144 is equal to 5 square is 25 plus PQ square. Okay, so 144 when we get it to this side, it changes into minus 25 is equal to PQ square. Okay, so when we just subtract it now, we'll get 119 is equal to PQ square. Okay, I'll write it in correct order. So PQ square is equal to 119. Okay, so here when you just check it out, here I have square, isn't it? But I want PQ value. So I'm going to put root. So PQ is equal to 119 root, we shall write root. So here square as it is and cancel the square as well as the root. So finally I got the PQ value, that is root 119. We can't take it out from the root, isn't it? So this is going to be your answer. One second. So I'll just show this, okay. So in here now we have 4 options. So in this 4 options now we got root 119. So this is going to be your answer. So please write centimeter as well. Okay. So finally we solved the third question. Okay guys, so now let us read the fourth question. Draw a circle and 2 lines parallel to a given line such that one is the tangent and the other a secant to the circle. Okay. Okay guys, so now we are supposed to draw a circle. Okay. Alright, so now let me draw a circle. Okay, so in this circle, no, so now we drew a circle and 2 lines parallel to and given line such that one is a tangent. So here they had mentioned 2 lines parallel to a given line. Okay. Okay guys, so now according to the question, no, two lines parallel to a given line. So they are talking about given line. So what is the meaning of given line? So we are supposed to draw a random line like this. Okay, you know, of course you guys know how to draw a line. So we are supposed to draw a random line like this. So this is the given line. Okay, so I'll write this is the given line. And then two lines parallel to a given line. So what are those two lines? In the two lines, no, one is a tangent and the other a secant to the circle. Okay, so they mentioned two lines, right? In that, no, one is a tangent and another one is a secant. Okay, all right. So what is the meaning of tangent? Tangent means, so when we just draw a line attached to the circle, no, we call it as tangent. So this is a tangent. Okay, and then this is that one line. So and the other a secant to this circle. So secant means, I just told you, when I just draw a line here like this, then I say this as secant, isn't it? Okay, so likewise this becomes a secant. Okay, so likewise now we have a line. So this is a secant. One second, yeah, and then we have another one line that is tangent, and this is a given line. Okay, I hope you guys understood this properly. So here now draw a circle. We drew a circle and two lines parallel to a given line. So here the given line, we just drew a random line such that one is a tangent. So this is a tangent which is attached to the circle. So remember guys, when a line is attached to the circle, no, we call it as tangent, and the other a secant to the circle. So what is the meaning of secant? So when we just draw a line like this, no, so we call this as secant. Okay, so whenever you draw a line like this in a circle, we call it a secant, isn't it? But here we have 2 points. Okay, so this we studied in exercise 10.1 second question, isn't it? So in a secant, no, there are 2 points. Okay, so remember that. Thank you guys for watching this video. Please like this video, share it to your friends and subscribe to our YouTube channel. If you have any doubt, you can comment me in the comment section. Catch you in the next video. Bye.